This morning, we're also talking about organizations really helping a lot of kids right here in Arizona, including in the Valley of the Sun. In fact, in this case, helping more than 13,000 kids across 130 schools right here in the Valley. This is the goal of a group called Operation School Bell. Now, the program was created by the Assistance League of Phoenix. They do so much for our Valley. In this case, providing clothing, shoes, and basic essentials for students who may not be able to afford them otherwise.
I think one of the things we really pride ourselves on is that we're not really giving items just that the kids need, but really things that they would want to have. We want them to fit in with their peers. We want this to lift their self-esteem. We really want to provide children with choice wherever we can, because a lot of these kids don't get many choices in their life circumstances.
And the Phoenix Assistance League also is telling us that they are looking for volunteers as their buses travel across the valley throughout the year, helping families in our community. So for more on how you can help, we have posted that information on our website. It's up right now at abc15.com.